Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Trade Stockers and NINZA Pro Traders. Let's take a look at what happened yesterday and last night. And for the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation, and I'll take a quick look at market profile for the big picture. You see, we started consolidating about an hour before close yesterday, and then right at the open for the overnight session, opened up at 21.8450, the overnight session. And a quick pop up to overnight high 21.8925, and then we worked our way back through the first zone below 24-hour VWAP into past the overnight low. We've now double bottomed. We're currently at double bottom right here at our overnight low at 21.8350. So where are we going to go from here? What's happening? Well, we do have some news this morning. We've got ECB at 7:30. We got unemployment claims at 7:30. Crude oil at 10 o'clock all Central Standard Time. So let's take a look right here where if we fail this double bottom here and come on down to this zone, there's possible reversal anywhere from 82 to 81 right in here in this area. Look for the reversal and start moving back up. Wait for a close above this open price again today at 84 and wait for it to come back and retest it one more time before heading to the long scenario. But let's continue to the downside. If we can get down here into this zone below the 22 about 2182 area and come back up and retest this overnight low, then look for this market to push right on down to this next area through here, come all the way down into 2177, and we need to test this 2177.58 area. So about the 2177.50, 78, somewhere right in here. Look for a good place for a big reversal here to drive this market back up. What we need to happen is for this market to drive all the way back to the long side, and we need to stay closed above this 2187 today in order to move up. Otherwise, we're going to keep moving to the downside. Let's look here. If we come all the way to the 77, come back up somewhere right in this zone. We were at 2180 where yesterday's zone was here at the top. If we fell in here, look for a reversal to head right straight back down to the 2175 and then down into this zone at 73.72. Now, if we're really in a downtrend day, there's other targets down here we haven't noted yet, but down this 2168 area is very strong, and then the 2160, obviously. Okay, so I would look for big reversal to the upside at 77, and look for some kind of minor reversal right down here at the bottom of this zone at 2181 to go back up and retest this for sure. Now, if we can clear this and come back above the overnight open at 81, 84.50 here and head back up into here, come back and retest. Okay, after we test the developing wave VWAP and the 24-hour VWAP up in here at 86 area, look for the retest of the open price for an extension into the long position. Okay, once we get up into here, first target would be 89.25 overnight high. Watch for a pullback to the bottom of this zone before we move it up. Now, if we can get this pullback, you get a move on up. First target up in here is going to be this 91 to 93 zone. Let's don't get too greedy today. There's going to be a lot of sellers stepping in as we move up. If we can get up into this zone, look for it to come back and retest this 89.25. Need to hold this line. We need to hold this zone and go straight up. Okay. Next target would be the 21.94 up into here with a pullback. This zone needs to hold, and then we'd move all the way up into 21.98 area, somewhere in this. Now, possible moves are up to the 2200, but I would expect it today. But at least be aware there's possibility for that psychological level to be touched at some point in the next few days. So now let's take a look at the overnight, excuse me, on market profile. Let me go to market profile here. And, sorry about that. All right. Look at the 4-hour chart here. It's 235 minutes, what I like to look at. We're sitting right in here in this area at the 2185 area, 86. You notice we went back up, we closed above that 2187 up in there, but we came right back down and closed below it. We are still below that 2187. All right, right in here. So we need this market to break up and close above it again for the next move up to the 91 area, excuse me, to the 90 area, and then followed by 99 will appear as a secondary target. So be cautious of this as we move up into this area here. Now, again, be very, very patient if you wait for this. Move down, you can come all the way back down to this 21, 81, 82 area, followed by that 77 area we talked about a few minutes ago. Keep an eye on this. as a big picture. Just a quick look at the daily chart, you can see we're just still in this area right here, about to double top, possibly up in this 2190 area. So watch for this real close. Watch for a pullback. This 87 should hold. If it doesn't, watch out as we move down into this area, all the way down and possibly down to this 67 area for a big gap here. And that's the overall picture. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com. And have a great day.